organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the principle of a subject. Mm-hmm. You hear that theoretical evidence. Theoretical means a collection of propositions that. Then you have the idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically.
Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 Hertz, you get 880. So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular. Mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or some sort of imagination of some degree. Then you have the action on an infinitesimal level. Now when we get into areas like animism, right,